My name is Gil Medrano, all-weather heating and air conditioning. I started this business in 2004. We are a full-service heating and air conditioning company. We provide maintenance, replacement of heating and cooling equipment, as well as service for repairs. We provide duct cleaning services. We insulate attic spaces, and we do some solar work as well. The things that makes us different is our team. We have a great group of guys. We work well together, highly skilled, well trained. The training is constant, something that we are always trying to improve upon, always trying to be the very best out there. Nobody takes as good a care of their customers as us at All Weather Heating and Air Conditioning. We are a FAD dealer with Bryant. FAD stands for Factory Authorized Dealer, which means that the Bryant Corporation has identified us as a leader in the industry. Most of our service technicians are NATE certified techs. NATE certification stands for National American Technician of Excellence, and it's a badge of honor. It's a way of saying, hey, we take extra steps to ensure that our guys are knowledgeable in what they're doing. Our service guys are out there fixing broken air conditioners, fixing broken furnaces, helping people decide what systems they may want to install in their home, providing expertise in ways of saving energy. Heating and air conditioning is our most expensive appliance in the home. We recognize that. So there are certain things that we can do as contractors and technicians to try to make those systems as efficient as they can possibly be, and reliable. We appreciate your business. Certainly would love the opportunity to provide service and give you the help that you need to help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter.